beautiful people out there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Noble Socialite. Guys, we all know it's hard for most of us to stay indoors for 24 hours, 7 days a week, watch favorite movies, play games, or do whatever we like to do. But there is no other option, as some airports and countries are still closed due to coronavirus and not accepting visitors. That doesn't mean we cannot have fun, stay indoors for the rest of our lives and get sick looking at the home walls. So I decided to go for a short staycation to this beautiful place and spend my weekend with the family. I've just received the key, so I'm going to show you the room. Please stay with me and I'll show you the other facilities in some time. Watch the full video and I'm sure you'll like it. So guys, I have already showed you the living and sitting room, which has a dining table on the side, a sofa that is as big as a bed where you can sit, relax, watch television, or even sleep if you want. Now I'll show you the bedroom. This is the attached bathroom, by the way, guys. It's clean and smells good for a change. Wow. Okay, alright. If you don't want to get up in the middle of the night and go to the toilet outside, use this one. So let me take you to the bedroom now, and ta-da! This is the bedroom. Oh my god, it's huge. It's big as compared to other hotels and residences. Quite nice for the whole family to stay here. And you can see the cupboards here where you can keep your luggage, things, and your valuables. Quite interesting. Impressive, actually. I love it. Yeah. Usually when you take a room for 1 or 2 people, it's small and we have to cram ourselves to fit in. But this one is nice. I'll show you the cupboards from inside. As you can see here, you can hang your clothes, you can keep your valuables, as I said earlier, the luggage of course, or anything important, you can keep it here. Anything else which you don't want to show outside, you can keep it inside. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. It's quite big. Yeah, and I'll show you the dressing table, which is really important for the woman like me who like to do makeup and all. Of course, this is the dressing table, guys. You can put up your makeup, your food if you want to eat, you share here, no problem. And this is the balcony, by the way, guys, and I can see the whole of the city from here. And I can see a swimming pool. Is someone swimming in there? Oh no, nobody's there now because it's too hot. Probably in the evening. Yeah, I should have a look in the evening. Yeah, I can see the whole city, as you can see through my video. This is nice. And look at me, the crazy stuff has already started. I'm really excited for the weekend. Looking forward. I can't wait for my friends to come over and my family to go crazy with me. This is the bed, as I showed you. This is just a picture to show you guys. It's really nice. I like it. Stay with me. Watch the full video as I show you the other facilities, guys, in this room. This is just gonna be fun. I'm sure you'll love it and you would love to come here and stay. Oh, I didn't even realize there are 2 balconies. One is here as well. And look at this sofa, man. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. All right. Guys, you won't believe what I'm going to show you now. This is the fridge, as you can see, and the cupboards are there. It's a huge kitchen as well inside one room. This is amazing. I love this idea. Look at the cupboards. You can keep anything to everything here. I can see the cupboards up and down, of course, and there is a microwave, there is a kettle, there is an oven. You can cook here as well. Oh my god, the cooking range as well. This is amazing. I love it. I love this idea. And of course, there is a washing machine on the side. I've seen it somewhere here. Oh yes, it's here. Nice. I love it. Cool. And this is the whole kitchen I have shown you guys. You'll definitely want to come here and stay. You can keep everything here. Yeah, there are utensils as well. You can cook here. You can stay here with your family, your friends, or your girlfriend, wife, whoever you want to come with. But this is amazing. The fridge, I'll show you. And this is the other facilities I'm showing you right now. There is a big pool, guys. You will love this idea. There is a big pool I'm showing you now. The swimming pool, of course, nobody's here at this moment because it's really hot out here. But this is so nice. This is so colorful. I'm loving it. It's like refreshing my eyes, you know. And I'll show you the other facilities as well. Just stay with me. We met this very friendly Arab guy who told me he's coming with his friends on daily basis to just relax, sit next to the pool and watch people swim, because he says it's safe and it's not very crowded as compared to the other places. I love the ambience here and I wish I can come every weekend. Guys, even if you don't want to swim, you can just sit, relax, take the sun bath if you like. And there is a sauna and steam, as I told you in the beginning. I'm showing you right now. And there is a gym just opposite to the swimming pool. While you're swimming, you can see your friends. While you're exercising, you can have a look at them. This is just amazing. I love this place. And thank you very much for watching the video. And if you liked it, please share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.